it. Greetings, TGIF guys. We are off to go to my friend Jen's house, and Gia's gonna have a little play date with her daughter Kinsley, and we're super stoked, even though it's like 0.00 degrees out. Actually 5 degrees. I was freezing in my house. Oh, this is awful, you guys. I'll take my camera out by Kinsley and Jen's. Alright, see you there. Sassy Gia. Yeah, you are. Gia. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, so I forgot to take my camera out the whole time we were at Jen's. And then afterwards, I decided I wanted to go to the wig shop because it was close. I never go to that side of town otherwise. So I stopped in the wig shop, and of course I have Gia with me, so she's all over the place, and I'm worried about her touching stuff. She's kind of freaked out by the mannequin faces. So I'm trying to get to hurry up, okay? I find a wig I like. It was only $20, and it's like long black straight hair, and it looks pretty cool. It's a lace front wig. So obviously I would think that when there's a display, and then right under the display there's a bunch of boxes of wigs, that under the display would be that wig, right? You would think. So I looked at the tag, and it said like whatever the name was, and then 1B. So I looked, and on the box it said whatever the name was and 1B. So I figured it was that wig that I was looking at, right? No. I get home, and it's like the most ridiculous frickin' wig I've ever seen. Like, it has these really goofy frickin' bangs, and it's cut like a mullet almost. The only thing similar is that it was black. Unfucking believable. I guess I'm just not meant to have a wig, you guys. I don't get it. So now what do? Return it? Do you think they'll return it? I doubt it. Even though it was only $20, but still, that's $20 I could spend on something else. Shit. Ah. God damn. So now I'm at Myers. I'm going to pick up some stuff because I want to make some healthy chicken balls for dinner tonight at Gia's dad's house. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm at Myers, and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's Sunday. It's 11 goddamn degrees and frickin' snowing outside, and my family is still dragging us out to brunch. Probably the last thing I feel like doing. If I'm going somewhere in this nonsense, it should be the gym, right? I did my spin bike for 30 minutes this morning on an empty stomach. I'm really fucking crabby right now. I hate this weather. I hate winter. And I'm ready for this goddamn shit to be over. I'm freezing. My car's not warming up. I just had to brush off my goddamn windows, and now they're all fogged up. Ugh. Shit. Really though? You guys. Apparently my defroster, whatever you call it, is not working. Well, a little bit. It's starting to clear it up on the bottom there, but while I was driving on the freeway, all my windows frosted up. It's like a friggin' nightmare, you guys. I really wanted to go to the gym today, but there's no way I'm going to risk my life driving again. Now I'm really mad I didn't work out yesterday. Shit. I have a new client starting tomorrow. I'm pretty excited. 9:30 in the morning. Yeah, and then some other people too throughout the day. I'm going to try and get everybody clustered together in the morning if I can, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm just wasting some time here while my windows defrost. Looks like I have to brush off those windows too. It's so cold out too, you guys. Fuck this. So yeah, just went out to dust off my windows and I busted my shit. Fell on the ground. I'm covered in snow now. And I'm ready for this winter to be over. We'll say that.
Same old shit after all of these years. Tell me you weren't just. There's gonna be no future. We figure this out. Oh, come on.
Yes.
This scenery looks.
Shiva.
You've both been impressed during our.
Alright you guys, this concludes my video because I'm not going to be doing anything else today because it's a snowstorm outside and it's ridiculous. So I'm going to sit inside, watch workout videos, and that's it. Gia, quit pounding. What? So I hope your weekend was better than mine. Bye.
Oh, I'm a doggy today. Woof, woof, motherfuckers.